Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Reflect Aero. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, make sure that your headphones are connected with the Headphones app, and now enter the app. Select your JBL Reflect Aero and now go to Gestures. Now you can select gestures for left or for right earbud. Here's the list of gestures. Tap, double tap, triple tap, tap and hold. You can change the mode between ambient sound control, volume control, playback and voice control. In order to make changes, you'll have to restart the earbuds. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.